Yes, all right, guys. Welcome back. After we've got our Joomla website up and running with our menu, our logo, our slideshow running, and then other bits. The next thing is to put stuff in our page, like home here. This is what is the array from we installed Joomla, but we don't want that, so we're going to get rid of that. And then about us, we want to write something cool about us, about what we do, and so on and so forth. How we do what we do, and what we do actually, and all those stuff. Now, to do that, you need to get into the articles. So for instance, if I go into article manager, I could say if I want to write something about us, I just open this article about us. That is also directly linked to our menu about us, so you can see about us here. If I put anything in here, it will definitely obviously appear into this page. So let's say this is about us menu. Okay, now we are getting what am I doing? Get ready to roll, and save. It will automatically appear on this thing when we refresh over here. There you go. So, but the thing I actually want to show you guys before we start, if you look at here, you can see that we have some options to edit the content, but I assure you that is not enough. If you want to have a content rich with rich formatting, there is a way you do it. You get a new editor. That is the good thing about Joomla. You can get plugins, modules for everything. So what we're gonna do, let's save this and close. I'm gonna show you how to install JCE Editor, which is a very popular and very feature rich Joomla editor. So let's go to global configuration. I presume previously in previous versions of Joomla, you have to go to Joomla, what do you call it, directory, extension directory, to get all those things. But I was just looking through this morning when I realized, okay, you can actually find most of these things come with this new Joomla by default. If you go to install control panel from system, you go to control panel, and when you come to control panel, you scroll down a bit, you can see that there are some content, structure, user manager, where you can set users and so on. Here, extensions, when you click install extensions, this Joomla 3.2 has come with a package of most popular extensions that people install, so it is very handy. And the editor I normally use is this JCE editor. You can see it's second only to Kunena. All right, so click on it. Okay, what's going on? Oh, I lost internet connection. My bad. All right, let's see. I think I lost internet connection, so I'll just go and connect me. All right, so you guys can see that I am traveling, so I'm doing my thing with a dongle. Okay. So yeah, I got my connection back, so I can click on JCE and actually install an award-winning blah blah blah. Okay, let's install it. It comes from Amazon Elastic, which will be a very quick to install stuff. Unable to connect to Amazon. Do you forget to enable when you connect to PHP? Return to. Okay. Anyway, we leave that for now because I'm working on my machine. Probably there's an issue with connection, but you can also get it online and install. So anyway, that is a fail install of JCE Editor. I think I have one that I downloaded previously. So let me just find it and install. Come on, JCE module. All right, I don't seem to have it. Let me see. I know I had it. I used it recently, but not for my Joomla. Anyway, JCE is a very good editor, and I know it's a COM JCE because yeah, there you go, it's COM JCE. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it from my machine, and that is how we do. Go to extension manager, and then install package, choose. All right, and then I install it. After it has installed successfully, hopefully, wait. It takes a while. Hopefully it doesn't report an error. If it does not report an error, then we can go ahead and kind of install it. And then yes, it did install successfully. I don't want to open this. It did install successfully. So what we go is to go back to global configuration, and yeah, and right here you set it as the JCE, you set it as default editor and save. Okay, now when you open an article, let's open the article we opened before about us, and you see the difference between the set of options I have to kind of configure my article there. Voila, you see, now I have all these options available to me to edit my content for the website. So that is a quick tutorial on how to get a feature. There are many what do you call it, editors out there. So this is the one I've been using for a while, so this is the one I recommend. But feel free to choose any editor and then install it, and then you're ready to rock. I'll come back with the next video, and then we start putting content into our first Joomla website. So thank you for watching, and then I hope to catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.